Hey everyone, today I am in my backyard. I want to straighten up some cobblestone that are around this maple tree. I have 78 of them here, and then there's 48 of them back over here around an iris bed. But today I want to concentrate on straightening these up. A lot of them I've stepped on. I've moved around a little bit, some have sunken in, they just need to be straightened up. I got them about 4 or 5 years ago at Home Depot, and it was funny because I went back in and they were almost $2 more a piece. So anyway, glad I got them when I did. I'm pretty much done with all of them around this tree. I used a bag of topsoil and mulch underneath most of them to make them level and fill in the gaps. I'm also trying to slowly build up this bed with soil. I did 10 bags of topsoil last year and put, I don't know, 4 or 5 bags of red mulch on top of that, so it should be leveled up just a little bit more. The mulch pieces actually work great for leveling up brick and stone for me because it breaks down a little bit slower and stays level longer since I don't concrete or cement any of them in. They are rose granite, very shiny from the quartz and other minerals in it. I can see red, gray, burgundy, and pink with a little bit of blue in them. Online they say 4 by 4 inches, but they measure out to be almost 5 inches. And like I said, when I went back in because I wanted 10 more, they were a lot more money within, I think it was about 5 years ago, like everything else. And as for the iris bed, I straightened up a few of them for now, but the entire thing needs to be cleaned up here again soon, and I'll remulch it in a couple of weeks because it's still early in March, and get out a lot of the leaves that are intertwined and almost impossible to get out of the honeysuckle that's growing along this fence. Alright, that's it for this video. I just wanted to take an hour and clean up these cobblestones that are around this maple tree and a little bit bordering the iris bed. But yeah, I ended up with cobblestone because I didn't want anything plastic and I wanted something that was going to last a long time. Like I said, I've been building this bed up. It looks a lot better. And the cobblestone does hold in the mulch pretty good if you put the spacing close together. P.S. It's the next day, and I thought while I have 2 bags of mulch left, I'd go ahead and put them here. That meant pulling up a lot of honeysuckle shoots and cutting a lot of them back that randomly pop up in the bed and a little bit in the front of the bed. It also meant raking most of the leaves out. I want to keep the rhizomes exposed at the base of the plant, so I don't really want to mulch it all that thick. There's a few other beds I want to mulch, but it's still early in the spring and the rains and maybe snow will be coming. Looks so much better with the cobblestones all straightened up. The bearded iris is still small and might not look like much right now, but in another month they'll put on some growth. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.